Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really quick crisscross updo. To start, we're going to take a section of the hair from the left hand side, make this from about the eyebrow height and bring this round to the back and secure it into a small clear elastic band. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the right hand side, so take it from eyebrow height to the middle of the hair at the back and then add another clear elastic band so you ended up with two ponytails. Use your fingers just to pinch and pull at that crown section so it's not so tight. Then we're going to slip our fingers behind that elastic band on the right hand side to create a little hole, and then we're going to pass the left ponytail through the hole. So just pull it through and repeat this on the other side. So make a little hole behind the elastic band, grab the right hand ponytail and pull it through the hole. Next, just secure those ponytails with a couple of bobby pins on each side. And we're going to do the same step again, but this time we're going to go mid-ear height. So take a section from the middle of the ear to the back of the head. Make sure you incorporate the tail ends of the ponytails previously. And we're just going to pop another elastic band to create another ponytail. And repeat this on the right hand side. So take it from mid-ear height, bring it round to the back of the head, incorporate the tail ends and add another elastic band. Make a hole above the elastic band on the right hand side and pull the left hand ponytail through. Then we're going to create a hole on the left hand side just behind that elastic band and pull the right hand ponytail through. Secure both of these ponytail ends with a couple of bobby pins just to keep them secure. Split the remaining hair in half and we're going to just create two more ponytails using clear elastic bands. And we're just going to use the same technique, so create a little hole behind the elastic band, pop your fingers through and pull the left hand ponytail through the hole. And repeat on the other side, so make a hole on the left hand side and pop the right hand ponytail through it and secure the ends with a couple of bobby pins. Gather the little bit of hair that's hanging down and just secure this with another elastic band, and we're going to tuck this out of the way, so just roll it around your fingers until you run out of hair and then kind of push it up and hide it under all the sections that we've done previously, and just secure this to the head using a few more bobby pins. Next we're going to pinch and pull at all the different loops and twists of this hairstyle, so grab some hairspray and gently pinch and pull at every single section so it's nice and voluminous. By pinching and pulling at the hair above the elastic bands, this will help hide them. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.